Craft Gin lovers, I'm Megan. I'm the Beverage Director here at Antidote, which is the craft cocktail lounge associated with Chemist. For your July month of gin, we've got our American Gin, your first American Gin, which we are very happy to be a part of. I have made a cocktail that features that American Gin for the 4th of July. It's called the Twilight Gleaming. Within that, we've got our American Gin, of course, which is going to feature a butterfly pea-flower that it's infused with. That ingredient you can find online. It's really interesting in that when you add acidity to it, it changes colors. So it'll go from this beautiful blue to a purple and even a pink, depending on how much you add. We've also got fresh squeezed lime juice. I highly recommend squeezing your juice yourself instead of buying it from the store. It makes a huge difference. We've also got orgeat, which is going to be a blend of almonds, sugar, water, and a little bit of orange blossom flower. We also have the grenadine, which is going to be pomegranate juice and sugar. Together, this makes a very refreshing and light cocktail, perfect for the 4th of July. Nice warm weather, you want something a little refreshing. So I start by adding 10 milliliters of grenadine. I sink that to the bottom first. Because it's a little bit more viscous, it tends to stay down there. Then I add a little bit of crushed ice. And just to make sure that the orgeat and the lime juice get well integrated, I like to blend them together real quick. So I add 15 milliliters of the orgeat with 30 milliliters of the lime juice. Give it a quick little shake. And then you're gonna layer that on top to make it look nice and pretty. And for the last and best ingredient, we've got our American Gin infused with that butterfly pea flower. Gonna do 60 milliliters of that right on top. And if you want something a little extra special, you can add yourself a little sparkler to go with that. Happy 4th of July, craft gin lovers.